So I'm going to show you a quick lip look using the defining lip pencil in Blush Nude, as well as the creamy matte lipstick in the same colour, Blush Nude. So firstly, taking the pencil, I'm just going to outline the desired shape to my lips, and that's going to create a really beautiful, even canvas for the lipstick that's going to go on top. This pencil's great also because it has a beautiful, long-lasting formula, and as I said, gives you that excellent base for any lipstick you put on top, especially the creamy matte lipstick. As you can see, I've filled in the entire lip, and that's going to create a really great base for the creamy matte lipstick in Blush Nude to go on top. And I'm just going to apply it directly from the stick. That's the really simple, quick, easy lip look.